Hello kids, today we will learn a new sound. It's E sound. In this video, we will learn formation and action for E sound. We will listen to a song for E sound. We will learn some words for E sound. And at the end, we will do some activities together for E sound. So let's start. First, we will learn how to write E sound. It's down, flick, lift and dot. Let's do the action together. Wiggle your fingers at the end of your nose as if you are a mouse stroking its whiskers and squeeze E, E, E. Let's sing the song together and do the action.
Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet.
And now, let's learn some new words with E sound. We have igloo, igloo, iguana, iguana, ill, ill, ink, ink, invitation, invitation, insects, insects. Now it's activity time. Activity number 1. Listen to the story and try to remember the words with E sound.
Zach has a white pet mouse who lives in a cage on his bedroom desk. One day, Zach forgets to close the cage door properly, and the little mouse escapes. She runs along the desk and knocks over a bottle of ink. Crash! The lid comes off and the ink spills everywhere. It even splashes the little mouse. Eh, 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 she squeaks and scampers off to a mouse hole close by. Zach follows the inky paw prints across the carpet, but he cannot find the little mouse. Safe in her hiding place, she sits and scrubs her fur, but the ink will not come off. She decides that from now on, she will make the mouse hole her home and call herself Inky Mouse.
Activity number 2. Try to say the sounds and then read the words.
It. It. S. It. Sit.
Activity number 3. Listen to the words and try to say the sounds for this word.
It's.
It's. The first sound is E. And the second sound is T. And the last sound is S. It's.
It.
It. The first sound is E. And the last sound is T. It.
Sat.
Sat. The first sound is S. The second sound is A. And the last sound is T. Sat.
Sit.
Sit. The first sound is S. The second sound is E. And the last sound is T. Sit. Activity number 4. Click the pictures that begin with E sound. We have here ink, ink, iguana, iguana, insects, insects, invitation, invitation, igloo, igloo. And this is the end of our video. Thanks for watching.